Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Rust-Oleum Tile Refinishing Kit. The Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit gives your bathtub and bathroom tile the sleek beauty of porcelain without the mess or cost of complete tile replacement. For the best bathtub and shower paint, this one-of-a-kind solution combines the durability of acrylic with a two-part epoxy paint recipe. Restore ancient tiles and see your bathroom tub, tile and shower designs come to life. It is ideal for refinishing ceramic or porcelain tile, fiberglass, acrylic, cast iron and steel tubs and sinks. For optimal results, properly combine parts A and B separately before mixing for 2 minutes. Once combined, use within 6 hours. When applying tub and tile paint, make sure to fully ventilate the room by opening windows and turning on a fan to circulate air. Composite lotion, hardener, gloves, brushes, rollers, pre-pasted masking film, masking tape, and sandpaper are all included with tile paint. This kit includes all of the tools needed to accomplish your project, and the tub and tile refinishing kit may thoroughly immerse you in the excitement of DIY without the need to purchase extra supplies. Our bathtub paint kit is not only useful for restoring ceramic surfaces like bathtubs, tiles, showers, dressing tables, sinks, and so on, but it is also good for fiberglass, stone, and plastic. It's fantastic news for tenants, flat dwellers, and homeowners. If your substrate color is darker, it is recommended that you buy 2 sets to completely cover it. For details, let's watch more. Our second best bathtub refinishing kit is Armo Glaze Bathtub Refinishing Kit. With our Armo Glaze Complete Bathtub Refinishing Kit, you can transform your old, worn-out bathtub into a gleaming, brand new fixture. Our simple pour-on technique and self-adjusting solution make achieving a smooth, professional-looking finish a breeze. Our solution will stick to a variety of surfaces, including porcelain, enamel, acrylic, fiberglass, and cast iron tubs. When compared to typical DIY bath refinishing kits, the thick coating provides greater longevity. Our product dries quickly and is odorless, making it an excellent solution for any home. Even if you've never done it before, step-by-step instructional films are supplied to walk you through the full refurbishing process. Use our Armo Glaze Bathtub Refinishing Kit to refinish your bathtub yourself and save money. When applied to the surface, the unique water-based 2 parts emit less odor. Formaldehyde, heavy metals, and solvents are not present. Low odor and very low vogue. If you are concerned about the safety of your family or newborn, use this bathtub and floor paint, which is standard certification. The countertop paint kit uses a proprietary acrylic resin composition with great adhesion, no peeling, and a surface that is not easily scratched, resulting in a beautiful and long-lasting finish. This bathtub refurbishing kit will save you a lot of time and money. A simple procedure can provide you with a fresh new bathtub or countertop while also returning the environment to its former state. Ecopel Bathtub Refinishing Kit. Third pick in our list is Ecopel Bathtub Refinishing Kit. This refinishing kit eliminates the cost of bathtub remodeling. Ideal for renters, flat dwellers and commercial or residential tubs, sinks and showers. Free videos remove the mystique from reglazing. We will walk you through the preparation, application, and finishing procedures. You can DIY recast your tub in 2 to 4 hours if you can follow instructions. Our tub and sink remodeling kits include foam rollers with covers, scooper boxes and Ecopel 2K enamel, which is easy to pour and safe to use. It takes 24 hours for Ecopel to set before you can use your tub/shower. Maintain a temperature of 72 degrees Fahrenheit in the bathroom for the quickest cure. It will take longer to set at lower temperatures. It is suitable for clawfoot tubs, bathtubs, tubs, showers, wall surrounds and bathroom sinks. The appealing low sheen finish transforms worn, ugly shower stalls and tubs into visually appealing and new-looking surfaces in just 1 day. Ideal for do-it-yourselfers and house flippers. A quick, simple, and cost-effective alternative to costly reglazing or bathtub replacement. The long-lasting finish is resistant to high water temperatures. Simple to clean and maintain. In good condition acrylic, fiberglass, and enamel surfaces. Brush or roller application is very simple. Recoat in as short as 1 hour with fast drying paint. 48 hours after the final application, it is ready to use. The low-voc, eco-friendly solution emits no hazardous fumes and is ideal for interior usage. Simple soap and water cleanup. White, cream, and light gray are the available colors. The quantity is 1 quart. Per quart, coverage is 80 to 100 square feet. Number 4 in our side is Goodwill Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. Most bathroom tiles, including bathtubs, sinks, countertops, floors and walls, can be painted using Goodwill tile paint. If your substrate color is darker, you will need to purchase 2 kits to completely cover it. The underside of metal, imitation marble, and peeling should not be painted with Goodwill paint. After mixing the paint with the curing agent, you must finish construction in 1.5 hours, the paint will cure in 24 hours, and you must wait 7 days before using your furniture. Goodwill barrel paint has a specifically designed acrylic resin, which has a high adhesion, will not flake, and the surface is not easily scratched. Cleaning is also simple, requiring only a gentle wipe. Goodwill paint is a water-based paint that has a low odor and voc content. This simple to apply, 1-part restoration paint is more than simply a low-cost option for the budget-conscious homeowner wishing to touch up or resurface their tub. Its fast-drying composition allows you to complete the task in a fraction of the time, making this a simple project to complete in a few hours. Simply stir well and apply with a brush or roller to suitably prepared acrylic, fiberglass, or enamel surfaces. Apply 2 to 3 layers in a single day, allowing 1 hour between coats, and your tub or shower will be ready in 24 hours. RTG Shower and Tub Refinishing Paint is a water-based coating with no unpleasant emissions, making it ideal for usage indoors. It's also quite simple to clean with simply soap and water. Number 5 in our top 5 best bathtub refinishing kit list is Natamud Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. Bathing in a filthy or rotting bathtub, on the other hand, might be a considerably less pleasurable experience. If your tub has seen better days and is dirty and soiled, it may be time to decide between purchasing a new one and recoating the one you already have. Refinishing a bathtub is usually less expensive than replacing it, and it saves you the time and effort necessary in a bigger bathroom remodeling project. The bathtub refinishing package is suitable for refinishing tiles, countertops, wash basins, and toilets. When applied to surfaces, the unique water-based 2-part formula emits less odor, also providing a long-lasting and aesthetically pleasing finish. This simple, 1-part repair paint is more than simply a low-cost option for the budget-conscious homeowner wishing to touch up or resurface their tub. Its fast-drying composition allows you to complete the task in a fraction of the time, making this a simple project to complete in a few hours. Simply stir well and apply with a brush or roller to suitably prepared acrylic, fiberglass, or enamel surfaces. Apply 2 to 3 applications in 1 day, waiting only 1 hour between coats, and your tub or shower will be finished in 24 hours. Shower and Tub Refinishing by RTG Paint is a water-based coating that emits no unpleasant emissions, making it ideal for interior application. It's also quite simple to clean with simply soap and water. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.